And he does give that to Painga. It's a wraparound play. I love this play. Patuawa hits Rangua Lunovic. It's a good run here. He's off to the try line. He slips, but he's found his feet and he's running towards the post. And that's a beautiful try there. As they go to this edge, and this play's worked out for them a lot today. As he's gone at the dummy worked out. Swan goes the same way. It's an inside ball here for Patuawa. He's got a man with him. And it's going to be Curtis Hunter. And that's going to be the game.
And having that support from our second 15 who have come away with a win.
Oh, Maloney Kunawawe with the intercept. Maloney, of course, a New Zealand Secondary School Sevens representative in 2022.
Beautiful tackle there by the number 14, Braden. Harold running.
Heretaunga with a strong carry. Harold rounds. Ke te whāngai rātou I te poro. Maloney Kunawawe doing what Maloney does.
Kia Milan.
Oh.
Piro kia Milan.
Ko āhua te karanga, talking about shape, making sure that they hold their system rather than get erratic. Beautiful continuity there. Wiramu Brayley, Ngāti Pukaki, Paitana Hāpai. All Ryan Elliott, Ngāti Awa, strong carry. His arms second only in size to Mr. Liam Coleman, here of Rotorua. Oh, not quite 5 metres, engari, it was missed. Jai Tamati putting that pressure on the inside runners. Troy Harmy with a strong tackle there.
Oh, Maloney. There he goes. What's that, Matua? Intercept number 2.
Good counter-rucking by New Plymouth. Jai Tamati with one of his incising runs there that saw him selected for the New Zealand schools last year with his outstanding form. Sairosi Ravudi there, strong carry. Paitana Hapai. Hunter Weaver to Mawheleo, to Rounds, to Tama.
Oh, going all over the place today.
Kokona Wiremu, go for the corner. Rotorua need to recycle here. Strong carry there again by Herora. Leo Sangato, it looks like, with the strong carry his way. I think Josiah Graham will move to the left wing there, Rick, and Case van der Hayden may go into the centre or into the second 5 role.
Jai Tamati.
Jai Tamati scoring in his 50th cap for Rotorua in the McDonald's zone. Oh, if you're at home whānau, you can hear that sound. Kei te awhiowhio ngā hau, the winds are swirling here, albeit on a fine day at Te Aki Tua Rotorua. It is quite windy. Wiramu Brayley with a strong carry there. There's that man, Te Haihua Simon.
Powerful
good. Oh, there we go. There's Te Haihua. Good 15 metre carry there, Rick. Paitana Hapai. E tū te teko. Malakai Thama with a good feed there to Malakai Thama. With the feed to Setaliki Mawheleo. Now we are to Lytle Brophy. Wiramu Brayley signalling to the insides to get the ball wide. Jake Hutchings with another strong carry. Leo Sangato again. Te Paumu o Rotorua. Rotorua prop there. Leo Sangato. Case van der Hayden with the in and out step. Ooh. Tata ki te Rārangi. He's nearly at the line. Te Haihua there. Strong carry, highs.
You're going to push him through. He's down.
Oh, he's down. Ai Piro a Te Haihua.
They're going to go to the far side with Case van der Hayden.
Oh, good enterprising there again from Rotorua. If you're one of our 356 viewers at home tuned into this exciting display of rugby, we've got Jai Tamati celebrating his 50th cap for the Rotorua First 15, scoring again. And of Ngāti Pukaki, Ngāti Pikiao descent. There's that man we spoke about, Koleva Songa. New Zealand Fijian Schools representative 2022. Strong carry there by Norman, who's made his presence felt since the time he's come on, Rick.
Coming this way, Maloney taking a few metres for himself, gives it off to Ryan Elliott.
Ryan Elliott needing to score under the post.
Back to Maloney, taking it all the way.
It's been such a tireless encounter out there.
Looks like a blind here. No, just a little dummy me as well. Arona Gibbs out to Johnson. Wide pass out to Payton. He's got space in front of him. Try time. TBC. Back to Chandler, the captain. Kapini. Saki to Tiari Sinton. Good ball there from Arona Gibbs. Landon Monks now with the speed. Breaks the first two. Offloads to Arona Gibbs. Good pass there by Arona. Payton strong in the tackle. Very strong. Tiari Sinton now. Monks. Waisaki. Spratley. Short ball. Lead numbers there. They arrive. Tiari Sinton now. Landon. Has also been growing that mo for a couple of months. Chandler, the kapine. Drivers over it. Good passenger play here. The Mātua money man. Farmer Kupita. Henderson now with the speed. And power, and he's over. TBC. Torrance Cribb with the throw. Just overthrown there, but they still have it. Bidwa. Now they look to pick and go here. TBC will need to be strong. Not give away a penalty. They go over, pick and go. Fantastic. Knees are down, so they need a release. They do. Spratley now. Good short ball there to Stevens. He'll need support. The Mātua money man. He's got it. Driver now. He's through. Driver. Quick feet. Great offload here to the company. And he's in space. TBC. Out to Arona Gibbs. Come to the left. Driver now. He's got a strong start. He's through. Driver's through. They'll need to get him. Into the speedster. Payton. Comes back inside. Good. They do come this way. So Arnold O'Reilly. Little chip here. Driver's caught it. He's in space. He's got a man inside. Monks with the moustache under the post. Beatty now sends it out to Kemp. Intercept pass by Saki. Has he got the pace? Does he have the pace? He has the pace. Saki. Halfback's there. Just hits the ground again. But they've still got it here. Monks now with some space. He's got driver on the outside, but he goes himself. Backs himself here, Landon. Needs some support inside. Great work from Versta. TBC. Just need to get the ball back here. They do, and they send it. They've got numbers again. Monks just needs to give it to Palmer. He does. Palmer just to pass, catch a pass. Mitchell now. Strong carry by him. They set up. If they can get it to the right-hand side, they've got numbers. That's where they go. Out the back, driving out. Farmer Kupita. Oh, what a dummy! He's through! The big man! Draws a pass! Out to the number 6. Fantastic try!
Māori Active.